Heard your Jeep's wireless charger isn't playing nice lately? Don't worry, most problems are simple to solve. Let's get you charging again. First, double-check that your phone actually supports wireless charging. Not all phones do, and cases, especially thick or metal ones, can block the connection. Next, make sure your Jeep is in accessory or run mode. The charger won't work if the engine's off. Still nothing? Try repositioning your phone flat in the charging pad. Sometimes it's just a placement issue. If the pad's dirty, wipe it clean. Even dust or crumbs can mess things up. If your phone overheats or charging keeps stopping, check for any warning lights or error messages on your dashboard. Some issues can be reset by turning your car off, waiting a few seconds and turning it back on. Still stuck? It might be a blown fuse or a software glitch. Check your owner's manual for fuse locations, or ask your dealership for a quick software update. Most problems are easy to fix, but if your charger's still down, it might be time for a professional look. And there you go, wireless charging made simple. Hit subscribe for more quick car fixes.